shopping and drinking tour.
Looking for? Inside the shopping as well. I was from Atatürk Primary School, sir. Old town inside. If you turn the left, Grand Bazaar. Inside has a castle. Also, you will find from castle inside museum. You will find there. It's nice pictures you will take. And old town also near it.
Not live. I have a YouTube channel. Yes.
I was looking at him, oh, shapes. He's a vlogger. He does the videos to TikTok, to YouTube, to Instagram.
Really? Oh, very nice.
He has his own web page.
It's very good.
You don't have the shirt.
No, not today.
We call him like Rodos guy.
Yeah. Oh,
Rodos and Estonia together, Rodos Est.
Yeah, Rodos Est, yeah.
Hugo Boss, Gucci.
That's for women. There's hoodie one, jumper one, t-shirt one, short one. Yeah. You can have a look, just browse it.
So all this is original, yes?
No, this is not original.
Okay, I know.
Turkish original. This is genuine fake.
Okay, okay.
If somebody come to Marmaris, they can visit us.
Okay.
Only we have my shop, I put for inside. That's Turkey and Rodos, you know. We have many customers from Rodos. Yeah.
Okay, we now know where you are located.
Yes, okay, no problem. I will give you my business cards, okay? You will come back, no problem. Price is no problem. If you buy, you don't buy, it's for doesn't matter. When you come for Marmaris, you will come for Delboy shop, you will drink something, and I'll be happy. Okay, it's no problem, because I don't think today, I think for a long time, you like my price, you don't like my price, no problem. I like for family, money doesn't matter. Okay, drink for 2 cards, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I will give you my business card, maybe you will come.
Tegelikult on äge, nad näevad ägedad välja.
This is for my Instagram, and inside we have my Facebook and my number, and you can follow me. What do you want? I will help you.
This is really nice.
Yeah, this is very nice card. Yeah, this is for business card. If you want, you take for money, no problem. 2,000 pieces, like it's for 85 euro. It's not too much. Yeah, it's very. We have my friend. It's for promise. He make for you.
Saad tellida. This guy also needs this.
Yeah, it's no problem. Yeah. Okay.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Have a nice holiday. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my friend.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
big
you.
boss. Thank you very much. See you
you.
later. Have a nice holiday.
Bye. Marmaris, time to go to see bazaar. We found Google.
Hello. Hello, yeah? You don't want the bag? Well,
We're just looking around.
yeah, if you want to look inside also, what beer for you?
So when we first came to Marmaris, we had 2 options to get on the bus, which was free when you booked online or harbor, and the other option was to take taxi. The taxi costs 10 euros because we had 1 person extra, total 6 people in the car, so it was a fair price. But as soon as we said that we never had been in Marmaris, the taxi driver took like 8 booklets out, and he showed us many different tours and shop tours and city tours and everything. So the taxi driver was driving with one hand, and with the other hand he was selling us stuff. but we decided to say that we want to go to bazaar and walk on our own. So finally he dropped us off to one restaurant, which was his friend's restaurant. Basically they all have deals with each other here, so he dropped us off. We ate and drank. Everything was good. We got the good prices for food and drinks, but we forgot to ask what the cocktails cost. And when we finally wanted to pay the bill, it seems like the cocktails cost 35 euros each. So it was a really good surprise for us because we forgot to ask what the cocktails cost. So it's a shame. Always when you come to Turkey, try to ask the prices or exchange rates before you sit in the table or buy anything, because you may get burned.
We should get them free.
Teadsin, et sa siin oled. Mis sa leidsid? Magnets. See on 5 euros.
Thank you.
More. This one bigger. Medium.
And how much?
Lira, euro?
Euro.
Euro. No, it was 18 euros. 18.
18, yes.
I think this big medium is okay for you.
Okay, thank you.
Why?
I don't think right
Why it's
now.
too much? I make a discount for you. Thank you, 15 euro. Hello.
No.
How much? I want to
10 ütlen, et.
It's not a question. I'm not sure that I want this at all. Is it with
You all? Why?
Hey.
Hey, you. I take no
I
visit.
want to look around.
No, I give it 10 euro. Take it.
Võta 10 kerra.
Kümsiga ikka. Ei, see tuli, kui ma ei ole kindel aeg. Issa, mul on nigi kahel inimesel.
Kuule.
Hello, Estonia.
Hello.
Where are you from?
Okay, thank you.
Estonia!
Estonia, yes, best place for Estonia. Come over check. We give free for Estonia.
Estonia!
Excuse me, 1 minute, my friend. 1 minute. I show you something.
Show me something.
That's very nice.
Estonian t-shirt.
Estonia, you want Estonia? You look normal t-shirt. No. Which one you like? I'll give you a good price. You look which one you like.
No, I'm not buying anything. I'm just looking and walking, and you have many great stores here.
So you can buy something. You don't have to just wear it all the same. For example, your life you have to be with the one woman.
Of course, my loved one.
That's the way one.
This is my loved one.
Do you know the price of t-shirt?
5.
I think it is the best price.
So buy one then.
Not right yet. Maybe later.
Maybe.
if you think Greece is hot, 45 degrees, then come to Turkey. Marmaris, I think it's 50 plus, and I'm in the middle of passing out and a headache, so it's really crazy. I have to say that if you come off the boat in the morning, the exchange rate is good, but few hours later the exchange rate is changing all the time. So keep that in mind and always ask what the exchange rate is or how much it costs in euros, because they have to accept euros in here. We are going back to the boat, so let me get the bill and see how we did.
I am Superman.
Superman. Yeah, no, you're Mustang.
I'm from Estonia. You are welcome to Marmaris. I love you. Thank you very much.
Why people should come here?
Because here is very warm and very nice. And Estonia people, you are very friendly, very good. I see in the next year for too many Estonia people here, please.
Yes.
I'm from Turkey. Yes?
Yes.
You'll come again. I love everybody.
Let's go!
Okay, what is the bill?
Two apples beer, one water, two wine glass. And your shoot is free, okay? And also cocktail for Angelina and Jennifer is no money, okay? Yes, this price is lira. Okay?
Euro.
Yes. €30.
Okay.
Yeah, that's okay.
Cheaper than cheap.
So basically we got a good price, 30 euros, and we got free drinks, and it compensates all the 35 euros for cocktails. So